Starting with safe, scratch-free Hydroglide waterless wash polymers that encapsulate dirt and grime, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic 3-in-1 Detailer then further expands upon your standard detailer with infused, super hydrophobic SiO2 and synthetic wax polymers to boost depth of color and shine and add chemical-resistant protection for months at a time. Heavier caked-on dirt or mud will first need to be rinsed by hose or pressure washer, but anything from light dirt, dust, acid rain residue, bird droppings, fresh tree sap, and more can all be safely reversed in a few simple steps. Using a clean, folded microfiber towel and working with one exterior panel at a time, mist the entire area to be treated, followed by wiping in smooth, overlapping motions with your microfiber. Once the towel becomes too saturated or the initial contaminants are wiped up, simply flip the towel to a fresh side, lightly reapply Hybrid Solutions Ceramic 3-in-1 Detailer if any residue remains, and buff to a clean and clear finish. If a contaminant like bird droppings is very concentrated, it will help to let the product soak in for a few seconds before wiping. Continue this process for the entirety of the vehicle's contaminants to be removed, and if treating an entire car, work from higher areas to lower areas on the vehicle, consistently replacing any fully saturated microfiber towels. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic 3-in-1 Detailer. Safe waterless cleaning for all exterior surfaces, intensifying shine and ceramic wax protection for months at a time. Used anytime between washings.